Happy Friday! Yay, Ashland families! Welcome to another edition of our Friday 5 here at Ashland. 5 things you need to know about this week. Come to you, not live, recorded, but it's live to you if this is the first time you're seeing it. Isn't that weird? Anyways, Dr. Jax, principal here, and I have 5 things you need to know about right now. First up, school supplies. This weekend, Friday to Sunday, August 6th through 8th, is our annual Virginia tax-free weekend. This will be a great opportunity for you to get back to school, that back-to-school shopping done. And I added a link in the email I sent you. So for all of our supply lists for each grade level, go ahead, check that out. You don't even have to print it out. You can just have your phone and just check it from your phone when you go shopping. And good luck shopping, because that is just a zoo if you go to these stores. So if you ever need any help, please reach out to the office and let us know if you have questions. If you need help financially with school supplies, please do not hesitate to let us know that as well. You can call the school, you can call the office. You can always reach out to me directly. You can reach out to one of our counselors like Miss LeClaire or Mr. Hughes, Miss Buckholtz, and they'll help you out as well. So we're always here for you, especially for those kinds of things with supplies. Number 2, T-shirts. Super excited. One of my very favorite things to do is to get new school swag. Yeah, this is one of our older ones. But this year, we came up with a design I think you're really going to like. And this year, another thing that's kind of unique is that we're making the same exact shirt for all of our students and all of our staff. So not only do the students get a free t-shirt, they're going to match. This will be the biggest Twinsies day we'll ever have because every single person will match exactly. But I really like this design. I think you'll like it too. And it's the secret. I don't show anybody. A few people know right now, but the staff doesn't even know. One of the biggest surprises we do the first day they come back is we share our new t-shirts. So as soon as I do that, then you get to see the new design as well. You can pick the t-shirts up at open house or the first day of school. And if you're virtual only, we'll have a time for you as well. So t-shirts, it's always part of that important thing to have school spirit. Number 3, there are a couple of back to school night parent webinars that I'm going to host next week. This is for this general information from Prince William County Schools and from Ashland about what school is going to look like this year. And I know you all have a lot of questions, and that's okay. So these are webinars, which means that you'll be able to see me, and I'll do just like this. I'll do a video, I'll have a presentation, and I won't be able to see your video, but you can ask questions on the chat box, and it'll be sort of a two-way thing that way. So I'm going to try and answer all your questions as well. Make sure you register. And as soon as you register, you'll get an email to the link. And that registration link is sent to you via the email that I sent for this Friday 5 newsletter as well. So one is for in-person students. So students that are coming to school in person. And that's most of us. It's like 99.9% of our students are coming in person. And there's about 30 students or so that are coming virtual only. And they're going to attend the virtual only part of the schooling for Prince William County this year. And that will be at 2 different webinars at 2 different times. Both webinars will be on Monday evening. The first one is the in-person, and that'll be at 6. And the second one is the virtual only, and that'll be at 7. Check that out in this newsletter, the email getting to you as well. It's also, all this information with dates is always going to be on our school calendar on our website too, just to consider that for the future. All right, number 3, virtual kindergarten and new family orientation. Another very special and important thing that we do is we provide a time to get to know the teachers, get to know the routine of Ashland, very specific on the day-to-day routines, arrival, dismissal, and everything like that. Usually it's in person. We're going to still do the virtual format for this one because, frankly, there's an advantage for this specific meeting to be virtual because we can share information, you can receive it, we'll do the tour, we'll give you some examples of pictures of classrooms and all that so you can really get an idea for it. But that way you can really hear and understand everything we're doing. Sometimes when we do this one in person, it's loud and you can't quite hear everybody and it gets tough. So I think the virtual option will probably work pretty well with this. It'll probably be like a Zoom meeting where I'll see you, you can see us, and we'll actually get to see the kids maybe on camera. Most of the people that we usually have is kindergarten parents, but it'll also be welcome to new families in general for Ashland. We'll go over the day-to-day stuff. So, and last thing, next one up, I think this is number 5. Yeah, number 5, open house. Join us. I should say that again. Go back to number 4, the virtual kindergarten new family orientation. That is on Tuesday, August 17th from 6 to 7 p.m. So that'll be virtual. I'll send a link out next week. Number 5, finally, open house. Join us for a pretty typical open house experience on Thursday, August 19th. It'll look pretty much like pre-pandemic. So we're really excited about that. Come visit your child's teacher, see the classroom, drop off your supplies, pick up the free T-shirt, register for car rider program, join the PTO. There's so many cool things that you can see and do at Ashland that day. We're going to split it up a little bit differently than we have in the past. This time it'll be split up by, instead of grade level, which was what we normally did, we're going to split it up by alphabetical order for two reasons. One is because it'll help for families like mine that have multiple kids in multiple grade levels. Instead of having to come back and forth for different times, you can just come at one time and visit all your teachers. The other advantage is it'll separate parents and families in the building to keep it safer. It's a little bit more distancing. So the classrooms will be a little bit less people in there. The hallway should be a little bit less than it typically is, and that'll help. So that'll be, again, on Thursday, August 19th, which is our normal day. Last names A through G will be 12:30 to 1:30. Last names H through N will be 1:30 to 2:30. Last names O through Z will be 2:30 to 3:30. And please make sure to come at those designated times. If you can't for some reason, let me know directly, but you should be able to. Please try to work out that time. Another key thing is that in the building, masks. You gotta wear the mask. So everyone, vaccinated or not, we're wearing masks. Staff wearing masks. Students wearing masks. Parents wearing masks if you come into our building. And that's part of what Prince William County is doing in Virginia. So check that out. Make sure you save the date. That's pretty exciting. That's a big deal for us. Open house, a big deal. So I'm excited to get back to a little bit of normalcy with that. So I think that's it. That's our Friday 5. Reach out if you need anything. You can call the office at 703-583-8774 or email me at jacksam@pwcs.edu. Together, we soar higher. It's our motto. It's what we do. Together, everything together. And we're actually going to be back together in person a little bit more than we have been in the past. Super exciting. It's going to be a great year. It's going to be a great day. And have a great weekend, everybody.